Hi everybody, welcome to my page. This is your girl, Cherokee Williams. Make sure y'all check out my social media and also hit that subscribe button at the bottom. And I hope you enjoy the video. Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is your girl, Cherokee, coming to you with another video. I am so excited about this video today, y'all, because I feel like my inner child is coming out. I love Harry Potter movies. I have Harry Potter jewelry. I have Harry Potter phone cases. Like, I love Harry Potter. So, of course, when I was in Walmart shopping, getting my little cousin a birthday gift, I wandered into the toy section and I seen this. It is the Harry Potter mystery wand box. Like, I hope y'all can see this. So, it has basically 9 wands that you could possibly get. I just want to stop myself right here and correct myself. The pricing at Walmart is actually $13.88. So my bad, y'all, but I did post it right there for y'all to see underneath the title. Because I know I was in Orlando Studios in the Harry Potter, of course, Kingdom. And their wand start for like $40 on up. I don't know what kind of quality this one is, but I'm willing to try out for $10.61. Because like I said, I wanted the wand. I was just not paying, like, I know, it was like $100, y'all. Yeah, it's like $100 for one. But I think the ones there is like, you could do special things around the kingdom. But once you leave the kingdom, like, so I was not playing that. But I found another option, y'all, for your Harry Potter lovers like me. And like I said, it's 9 wands. I'm going to show y'all the type of wands you can get. Oops, my bad, y'all. My bad, y'all. So you got those, and then you got these the other ones. So of course you got the Harry Potter, Hermione, Ron, Death what was it? Death Eater, Lord Voldemort. The one I hope I get is a Death Eater. Of course the Harry Potter or Hermione. I prefer the Hermione one because it look more girly. Or Lord Voldemort because they look like the awesome, you know, like the cool ones. But of course, you know, you always get the one you don't want. But anyway, like I said, we already open up. See if it's even worth getting. See what you get. I'm excited. Let's open it. You alright? You alright? Alright. And before I open this up, I want to remind y'all the wand chooses the wizard. So, hey, let's go, y'all. Come on. Oh, God. I should have brought some scissors. I got it open. Oh, and that's how it looks out the wrapper, y'all. Hold up. Wait. Ooh, hold up. Let me move my light a little bit. This is so cute. I'm trying to make sure y'all see it. Oh, gosh. Jesus. Hold up. Okay, there we go. I darkened my camera, y'all, so y'all can see it. And that's how it looks outside the wrapper. Okay. I'm lighting my camera back up. I'm just going to light my camera up, y'all, real quick again. Alright. Alright, y'all. I know. Whew. I'm working this thing open. Alright, alright. Yeah, I got the one I wanted. Yeah, I told y'all I want the Death Eater one. I got it, y'all. Look at it. Y'all, I'm too excited. Yes, and this is actually, y'all, a really good quality. Look, it doesn't even bend. This is really nice. Like I said, it's only $10.61, like around that price. This is so cute, y'all. It'd be like just a cute, like, I'm planning on going back to the studios, so I'm definitely going to use it there. And it's just something cute where you could put it with the rest of your Harry Potter collection. Cause it's freaking awesome. Who doesn't want one? Like, who doesn't want one? And this is the exact one I want. This don't even look like a window, but I don't care. Like, yo, I am so excited. I really got the one I wanted. This is so cute. This looks like me. Alright, y'all. I hope y'all enjoy my videos. Make sure you check out more of my videos. I'm also going to do a video on some of my Harry Potter jewelry that's under $2. Like I have charm bracelets, jewelry, earrings, everything else, phone cases. I'm going to upload the video, and all my stuff is going to be under $2. So make sure you keep an eye open for that, and make sure y'all subscribe and follow my social media. And I look forward to seeing y'all again. Make sure y'all like this video and comment if you have any other questions. Bye.
I have to also mention that it comes with basically what is this? A 3D bookmark. Pretty awesome. Can you see? Ooh, ooh. So that's cute. So this